Howdy everybody. So the nervous system. The nervous system can be kind of complicated in some of the things, and hopefully in your A&P class you spend more time dealing with the nervous system. We just want to have a few basic things that I want you to walk away from it with. The nervous system, first of all, uses nerve cells to transmit information through the flow of electric charge. You think flow of electric charge, right? You think current. So all the language that we've learned up to this point as it relates to electricity and charge we'll continue to use. Several purposes in the nervous system. Sensory input. This is input from surroundings. That means like external stimuli. And other organ systems. And this is internal stimuli. Sorry, I need to pause for just a second. Okay, so other internal stimuli. We'll define this later. I'm just going to go and write PNS right now. It means the peripheral nervous system. And then the motor output. Oh, I'm sorry. Integrate processes. The second purpose is to integrate processes. The sensory input. Sorry. The sensory input. I'm sorry, y'all. So I'll use this to integrate, and it processes the sensory input and determines what to do in response. And this is called the central nervous system, or the CNS. It's a purpose of the central nervous system. I'll define those soon, the PNS and the CNS. And then finally, motor output. The nervous system causes the body to respond. So if you have some external stimuli, then the peripheral nervous system will affect a motor output. There are two main parts, so those are the purposes: sensory input to integrate and motor output. The two main parts of the system include the central nervous system. This is that CNS, and that includes the brain and the spinal cord primarily. And the peripheral nervous system. That's the PNS. And the PNS accomplishes the sensory input. So as you encounter external stimuli, like, boy, it sure is hot out here, or gosh, that kind of hurt when they poked me with that needle, the peripheral nervous system will take that sensory input and transport it to the central nervous system. Then the central nervous system takes care of integration, sort of makes sense of what all that data means, and it sends the information for motor output through the peripheral nervous system.